I'm Maria Throp and I'm the Development Manager for First Step Development Ventures. Well, we are a small charity. We're very much community-led and we were set up to create opportunities for people affected by addiction and poor mental health to have the chance to gain practical skills and qualifications, and also importantly to make a difference to their communities. Working on bikes is really therapeutic for our volunteers. People who work on them by themselves, but then as they gain confidence they start to work as teams, which really helps people build up stronger social connections. Since we started 4 years ago, we have refurbished thousands of bikes. So we support youngsters, people on low incomes, people on benefits. We have worked with a lot of primary schools and secondary schools in deprived areas, donating bikes to kids that otherwise wouldn't be able to do their bikeability. I would say we've helped thousands across Falkirk and West Lothian. Well, I'd like to say a massive thank you to all the partners that organised the award and nominated us. It's been, a surprise to us, but a brilliant surprise. It's significant for our volunteers. A lot of our volunteers, when they start with us, can be quite vulnerable, can not feel very confident. So to be recognised for their contribution to our communities is fabulous for our volunteer team, as well as obviously the staff. So thank you.